how we can solve this problem which appears in your VirtualBox, which says failed to open a session for a virtual machine. It can be any virtual machine which you are trying to start and you see this error. So when I try to start this virtual machine, which is a Windows 10 virtual machine, it gives me this window which is stating the same error which I already showed you, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just close my VirtualBox, and now I'm going to open the command prompt as administrator. So you can open a command prompt by searching for cmd here, and then just right click here and then click on run as administrator. And once your command prompt is open, what you need to do is you need to run this command here. So this command I'm going to give you in the description of the video also. So I'm going to just copy this command, and then I'm going to just paste this command here on this terminal, and then I'm going to just press enter, and it says the operation completed successfully. So once it says operation completed successfully, then I'm going to just close this terminal once again, and then once you run this command, you need to restart your computer once again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart my computer. So now I have restarted my computer, and now I'm going to just start my VirtualBox after restarting my computer, and let's try if this problem is solved or not. So I'm going to just start this virtual machine, and straight away I can see that this problem is no more coming, and this Windows virtual machine is starting on my VirtualBox. So that's how you can solve this problem in your VirtualBox. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.